Good evening, moneymakers. This is Joel. I've got a few emails asking about daily charts. And so what I'd like to point out are some easy to read characteristics in price action, which you can see in your charts. Now we're looking at the daily chart. We're going into November 24th, Tuesday session, right before a holiday. So of course we want to watch out. There's going to be a little bit of indecision. Now, how we can tell there's going to be a little bit of indecision in the market is when you see these volatile candlesticks. For instance here, let me give us a little bit better perspective. The longer the body of the candlestick, the more volatility that you have in the move. Basically, we have been testing this area up to about 1011, and we're entering with volatility, a little bit of price failure it looks like, and we're opening testing around 1103.25, which is about where our point of control is going to be for the day tomorrow. Now what we're looking for is when we get, for instance, dojis or small range bars like this one here, normally they come at the end of an up move or at the bottom of a down move, when basically there's indecision on direction and they don't get much commitment. Basically, again, we've moved up here. It's a smaller percentage move up here. The velocity wasn't as quick as before. So what you're seeing here is a decrease in volume, which means basically they're going to have to come in with more volume to move this up, which I doubt they'll do as it's a holiday weekend. But remember, on lower volume, you can get actually large swings. So the target I'm looking for tomorrow is 1123.25. That is on the high side. If we break to the high side, on the low side, it's going to be around 1089.25 is what I'm looking for. We shall see. It depends on the volume and, of course, what the market maker is going to be doing. Tomorrow's probably the last day they're going to be playing. Wednesday and Friday, although we do have a full day on Wednesday, Friday, it's a half day, so I don't expect to see much. Let's take a look at the 60-minute. Basically the same thing. What we're doing is we're looking for an established range and where price can move. We are again getting these smaller range candlesticks. We've got a few dojis going. Of course, it is after hours, and we're looking forward to basically either break back up to 1106.75 with a high of 1111.25. This is a line I've had up here for almost 2 weeks now. Our next break up is on, we can see it on the daily, was 1123.25. So that's what we're looking for extreme highs. If we do break down, looking for it to retest around 1098 and then 1095 again. That's our 200 EMA, which most professional traders are using. And then of course we do have our support in at 1083. Now that's an extreme low. I doubt we'll be getting down this far, but we shall see. So again, when you are looking at these moves up, look for the short range candlesticks. They'll show indecision in the marketplace. That's where we're going to get our stall in either continuation in the same direction or we're going to get the reversal. Just to give you a heads up, remember we go from larger scale to smaller scale for direction, looking for the breakouts in the smaller scales. So this is Joel. Hope that helps. At tradingonlinemadeeasy.com, we're going to be in Toronto on December 12th through 14th. Come and join us. We had a great 3-day seminar in Seattle. We've got some traders already up and running. So come and join us.